If you're thinking about buying CopyDash for your business or personal use, there are a few things you should know first. In this video, we'll dive into 12 key points that could help you decide if it's the right generative AI software for you, especially when compared to other popular tools out there. Next thing, CopyDash offers an easy-to-use interface that many people love, but if you've used tools like Jasper or Writesonic, you may find the setup less customizable. Unlike those competitors, CopyDash takes a more streamlined approach, which is great if you want quick results without overwhelming settings. The third thing to know is its pricing model. CopyDash offers subscription plans, but it's not the most affordable option if you're working on a tight budget. Competitors like Writr provide similar features at lower price points, but CopyDash is more feature-packed, which can justify the extra cost for some users. Next up, its AI output quality. CopyDash is pretty solid in generating content that's both clear and concise, making it a great choice for marketers and content creators. However, when compared to other generative AIs, it's not always as creative as Copy.ai, which offers more diverse output styles. The fifth thing you should be aware of is CopyDash's keyword integration. It's not as advanced as some competitors like ScaleNut, which focus heavily on SEO-driven content. So if you're looking for detailed keyword optimization, you might need to manually tweak your output more than you would with others. Next thing, CopyDash supports multiple languages, but if you need deep language support, tools like Writesonic or Jarvis might have the edge. Those platforms have superior multi-language capabilities that CopyDash is still working on improving. The seventh thing to know is how CopyDash handles tone and style. While it's good at matching general tones, it doesn't have the same level of fine-tuned control as tools like Grammarly or ProWriting Aid, which are better suited for editing content with specific nuances in mind. Next, CopyDash is faster than many competitors, particularly when working on shorter pieces of content. Its speed is something that sets it apart, especially if you're looking for quick content generation without lag. However, its speed does sometimes come at the cost of more refined output, which can require additional editing. The ninth thing to keep in mind is the templates offered by CopyDash. It provides a variety of templates, but if you're looking for more options with specific niches, tools like Copy.ai or Writesonic can be more versatile. These other options offer more variety in their template library. Next thing, CopyDash's customer support. It's decent, but can be slower than some other platforms, like Jasper, which offers 24/7 support. If you rely heavily on customer service for troubleshooting, this might be something to consider before you commit. The 11th thing you need to know is CopyDash's integration capabilities. It works well with popular apps like WordPress and Google Docs, but its third-party integrations are a bit limited compared to competitors. If you need advanced integrations with platforms like Shopify or HubSpot, you might find other tools better suited for your needs. And the 12th thing, CopyDash has a free trial, which is always a plus. But unlike other platforms that offer longer trials, CopyDash limits it to just 7 days. If you need more time to fully explore the software before committing, this shorter trial might feel restrictive compared to others. So, is CopyDash worth it? Overall, it's a solid generative AI tool, but if you're after something with more customization options, advanced keyword integration, or better support, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It offers more features with a free trial that gives you more time to decide. If you're ready to explore other options, be sure to check out our link in the description.